Alright guys, it's time. ELD. Let's get this puppy installed. Alright guys, so let's get this thing installed. First thing we got to do is remove this panel. So in order to remove that, you need to slide out the cup holder, and you'll see that there are 2 screws in there that we got to take out. So once you got the screws out, this thing will just pop off. So there you go. That's what you'll see when you pull that cover off. Beautiful little fuse panel. Alright guys, so once you take this off, the only wire that you're going to really be looking for is this guy. You're going to remove this resistor from the end, plug in the Keep Truckin cable, and then install this resistor back into the Keep Truckin power cable, or cable, connector cable. Let's see if I can do this here. So we're going to pull out this little guy. He's going to go in here, and then we're going to connect this one back into this one. Presto. And now to connect the power, which is going to go in this little fuse panel right back here. Now connect to the ELD itself and make sure to screw it in tightly.
Okay, here we go. I was having trouble with my ELD Keep Truckin. Found out that these right here didn't have any power. If you notice, there's a wire right here. Well, that was already in there, that positive. So I had to take it to the mechanic to find out how come it wasn't working. I'm not getting any power. So what the mechanic did, he took that red wire out that was stuck in the inside of there, then replaced the cord that goes to the ELD Keep Truckin, and added that red power line in there as well. As you can see right there on the side, it was screwed in. The mechanic unscrewed it, put it back in, and that's how it started to work. If you're having this same situation, try to do that. It'll probably save you some money instead of going to the mechanic and having them do it and paying labor. I hope this is helpful, and all good.